solve using substitution. We have a system of equations which is 3x plus 2y equals 7 and y equals negative 3x plus 11. Now our first goal is to see if we have a variable that's by itself, which we do. We have y by itself in the second equation. So we are going to circle whatever y equals. In this case, it's negative 3x plus 11. Now we're going to substitute it into the first equation. Wherever you see a y, we're going to put negative 3x plus 11. Now the trick is you have to make sure that you write the equation exactly how it looks. We have 3x plus 2. Now we're going to substitute in the negative 3x plus 11 equals 7. Now from this point on we have to distribute. The 2 is close to the parentheses, so that is what we are going to distribute. The 3x stays by itself. Now a positive 2 times a negative 3x gets us a minus 6x, and then 2 times a positive 11 gets us a positive 22, and then drop down to equal 7. Now from this point we need to combine like terms. Our like terms are our x's. We have 6x minus 6x. When we combine like terms, we do exactly what it tells us to do. So we have 3x minus 6x, which gives us a negative 3x, plus 22 equals 7. Now from this point we have to undo adding or subtracting first. Since we are adding 22, we have to minus 22. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. We have negative 3x equals 7 minus 22 gets us a negative 15. Then we have to divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. X equals 5. Now that's only half of our answer. We want to look and see what is the easier equation. The first one, we don't have any variables solved for each other. So we look at the second one. We have y by itself, and that's what we want. So I'm going to recopy y equals negative 3x plus 11. Now the answer that we got, x equals 5, we are going to plug in to the second equation. Y equals negative 3, and instead of x, we're going to write 5. Plus 11. Now we have to multiply first. Y equals negative 15 plus 11. Y equals negative 15 plus 11, which is a negative 4. Now we're almost done. We have to make it into a coordinate, which is x comma y. So x comma y, 5 comma negative 4. Now that is our answer.